Well, this is how to solve the system of equations you see here using RREF, otherwise known as Gauss Jourdan Method. So, what you see here is that what you see right over here, see, right there, yeah, you're seeing that, yeah, that is the order of things that you want to find. Basically, you want to find those so that when you put them together, they can get nice and orderly. Yeah, that's the order. And then the reason why you want to get nice and orderly is because when you finish it out, you should have a matrix that looks exactly like that. Yes, I know that my arrow looks very sucky. Please do not rub it in my face. Anyways, this is the order and basically what you want to end up with. And so, what we want to try solving for today is this matrix, which you see right here. And yeah, that's beautiful. Alright, let's go to the next page and start solving this bad boy. Anyways, so, when you actually want to start solving this, it is a very good idea to use the modified matrix, basically to use it so that you can solve this thing very, very properly. And so in order to start solving this, you need to first of all write down your original matrices so that you know exactly what we're doing. So that's a 1, that's a 1, that's 1, 6, that's a, what is that? That's a 3, that's a wonderful number 4, and yeah, 3, 4. You know what? I'm just gonna have my companion here write it down for me. I probably won't have to talk past as well. Okay, so basically, first thing you want to do here is, since you already have a 1, you do not have to change the first row, and as you remember from before, the order you want to go is from basically that order, and so we already got that part, and half of these were already good. So what we want to do next is to basically take the second row, and which is over here. This is the second row. You see this? Yeah, it's beautiful. Yeah, you see that second row? You wanted to have taken that, multiplied the first row by 1, and then subtracted the first row from the second row and proceed to store it in that row. And, oh my gosh, poor matrix just died. I'm gonna have to mourn his losses for now. He was a good matrix. I loved him so much. Alright, anyways, next thing we want to find is this 4 right here. Change that up. Alright, so, since it's in the third row, we don't have to change those, so I'm just going to have my friend here just write it down, write down the rest of the things, and yeah, there it is. We want it to get it to 0, so it's down to 0, so what we do is we must take that row and use, actually I think I was already, no, I'm so confused. Oh, yes, that's what I need to do. Alright, so there is the row 3. We've got to multiply row 1 by 4, negative 4, and add it to row 3, and then store it in row 3. Yeah, that's what we wanted to do. Right. And the next thing we want to find is that middle number. So, my compatriot here shall write down all the other numbers so that we don't have to worry about it. Oh, look, it was a negative 5. You know why? Because it was beautiful. Wait a second. What the heck? Wait. Oh, yeah. Sorry guys. That was my mistake. I totally forgot about one of the parts. Yeah. Just read the writing. Don't pay attention to this crazy dude's voice. Yeah. Wow. Am I really that sexy? That was amazing. I didn't know mirrors could bring out such wonderful looks. Oh, this is still recording. Okay. Anyways. So yeah, we solved that. Basically what you want to do for all these things is basically you want to find the 1, 1, 1 perfect combination that allows you to have the final answers. And those final answers will be your answers, finally. Anyways, so yeah, that was awesome. Alright, continuing on right now. So what happened is that this matrix you see over here, this beautiful one, what happened is that this row right here got switched with this beautiful row over here. And so, as you can see, this one goes over here and that one goes over there, so that we can get our perfect little number right here that we want. Wow, that was horrible. You don't want to see that. Now there's a circle you like. Alright, moving on. Oh, no, it's a better one. Yay. Alright, moving on. So, that's what we did there. Next up on the list is, what we wanted to do here is to basically right here, we took this row, boom, and we took and we subtracted the row over here and stored it in our top row. Amazing! And so the only number that got changed was that. So, next thing we want here is the, yeah, okay, yeah, oh yeah, and 101, 101, yeah, and we found those numbers, and that is how we go there. The next thing we did was we subtracted row 2 from row 3, and first of all we multiplied row 2 by 5 and added it to, so we multiplied this by 1 or 2, and so in that we got these beautiful numbers. So that is what happened, and we just want to find some of these very last numbers. We're almost there, guys, don't worry. This long video that's been completely off topic is gonna end very soon. Alright, in continuation, the next thing we did is we subtracted row 2 from, well, actually no, we divided row 3 by 2, and in essence we got those numbers, and these are the beautiful numbers that change, so that we can get that over to a 1. The very last thing we had to change. Alright, so yeah, and this very last matrix, which is found by subtracting row 2 from row 1, will give us the amazing numbers of 7, 1, and -2. It's that easy, folks.